Hi guys, my name is Aiden, but mostly known as Diamond Superman, and today I am playing Shooty Skies. Let's try to get to 3 likes on this video, and spam the comments what I should play. So, let's do this! This is gonna take forever, so let me cut ahead in the video. Alright guys, I'm back. So this is Shooty Skies. This is the green guy I got. Wow, it's mad lag. Mad lag! Mad hardcore lag! Oh my gosh! Ah! Hardcore! Hardcore! Ah! Mr. DJ! Well, that was embarrassing. Okay. Let's keep going. Wanna check out our new game? Nope. Aha! Roasted! Oh my gosh! Roasted! Roasted! Make sure to share this video for thousands of people can see this video because it has to be the most awesomest YouTube channel in the whole entire world because it deserves that title. Not PewDiePie, not Jacksepticeye, not Markiplier, not even me. Well, maybe me, but not even anything in the whole entire world. It has to be me. I just said it can't be me, but it has to be me. So, make sure millions of people watch this video because I'm counting on you guys. And I died. That was fun. Get free coins. Oh, wait. It's a video. Oh, my gosh. This is not sponsored. Yeah. Nah. I want to see people watching this video and comment down below liked. Yeah, comment down below liked, and then I will reply to your comment. And comment down below subbed because I will reply to your comment. Tell all of your friends that that my YouTube channel exists because nobody knows it exists. I want the only thing I want to do is see people comment. I never see people comment, so comment on this video and that will make me happy. Come on, there. And you could download this on the app stores for free. It doesn't matter what phone you have. Maybe I should do tutorials because I'm not into clickbait. Clickbait is bad. People just clickbait to get views. That's all. It's not like people's gonna like the video. They just do it to get views. So, yeah. Maybe I should do Minecraft videos. What's popular? I don't know what's popular. Because I'm definitely not doing a face cam. I don't know. People... What the... What the what? If you saw that Minecraft roleplay... Yeah, that was embarrassing. I'm not gonna spoil it. Maybe I should keep doing it. It's a fun series, but a really embarrassing one. You stupid pug. I'm sorry. I like pugs a lot. I'm sorry if you like pugs. Ooh. Whoa. Dodge it. Dodge. Get. Aww. Aww. I'm a big boy now. Uh, watch to get coins. Watch to get coins. Coins! I'll do that later. I want the best gun in this hizzle. Charming wand. Too much. Ball challenge. Quad gun. Nee. 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 Groovy chainsaw. Maybe the groovy. Wait, is it groovy? Yeah, it's groovy. I think the groovy chainsaw will work because if I get close to people, yeah. So to end this video, I am going to end it with a groovy chainsaw. I'm so groovy. I'm so groovy. Ah! Die! I'm gonna use my groovy chainsaw to murder you. No! Okay. Bye, guys. I will see you guys next time.